The Databank, in collaboration with Ignitus, is pleased to present a unique learning experience titled Dynamic Fundraising: An Integrated Approach. This series of 6 courses designed exclusively for clients of the Databank will allow you to create and carry out more effective fundraising strategies using specific strategies and tactics developed by Ignitus in conjunction with the powerful tools of the Databank. More specifically, you'll be able to apply fundraising best practices, raise more money with less work, fundraise online and via direct mail, save time and money in the long run, and maintain a network of peers with whom you can share fundraising experience and advice. We designed this course to combine formal education from fundraising experts with learning from your nonprofit peers. That means you will go through the course with a group or cohort of peers from whom you can learn. By exchanging information with your nonprofit peers, you can learn what's working well for others and how to apply that at your organization. This series of courses is unique because not only do you receive 6 monthly 45-minute online training sessions followed by Q&A sessions with fundraising experts, but it's conducted in a cohort-only forum where students ask peers questions, share ideas, and network. Plus, you will receive one-on-one 15-minute monthly phone check-ins with a fundraising expert. That's something you won't find with most online courses. Finally, you'll receive 6 handouts with fundraising best practices throughout the course and monthly self-evaluation worksheets to improve your fundraising techniques. We've designed the course in a logical sequence based on the steps involved with designing and implementing a campaign to reach a specific goal you have set. We begin with using your data and segmenting to raise more money. Knowing your data is the key to learning more about your donors, the messages that speak to them, and what qualities you should look for in prospects. We'll discuss key data you should collect from your donors and prospective donors and how to analyze that data to raise more money. We'll also review how to segment your list so that your messaging resonates with everyone. Second, we'll show you how to lower your fundraising costs with smart planning. It's easy to get so focused on the present that you don't plan ahead for the next campaign, but planning ahead will save you time and be more cost efficient. We'll talk about easy tips for planning ahead and saving money, like creating calendars, cleansing data, targeting messages, and being sure you get the best postage discounts. The third session is about integrating direct mail with online media to fundraise. Reaching your donors and prospective donors through multiple media can substantially lift your fundraising response rates. We'll talk about how to adapt messaging to different media like direct mail, email, and social media for a powerful fundraising campaign, as well as how to develop timing for an integrated campaign. Writing effective direct mail and email copy is the fourth in the series of 6. Compelling copy and messaging is the core of any fundraising campaign. We'll discuss how to craft a message that will resonate with your supporters and get them to take action. We'll also go over storytelling tips for nonprofits. After writing copy, you should learn about best practices for direct mail design. Heading into your year-end campaign, you'll learn tips for designing your direct mail fundraising appeal to maximize results. We'll cover topics like envelope and appeal design, the most effective packages, and length. You'll learn what other organizations are doing and what's working well this year. Finally, we'll introduce best practices for fundraising email appeals. Email fundraising is easy once you get the hang of it. You'll learn tips for creating an email fundraising appeal that will get people to take action. We'll cover topics like layout, subject lines, call to action boxes, and length, and how many links to include. Our expert instructors from Ignitus include the CEO, Dean Sandberg. He is a past president and serves on the board of directors of the Midwest Direct Marketing Association and also serves on the board of directors of Resource Inc., a Twin Cities nonprofit, and the Minneapolis Rotary. He has 20+ years of direct marketing experience applying industry best practices to nonprofit donor campaigns. Robert Sandberg is the Director of Client Development. After working in the technology sector and developing expertise in client relations, Robert joined Ignitus as the Director of Client Development. Prior to that, Robert was a researcher at governmental and nonprofit organizations, including the Minnesota Population Center and the Center for Homicide Research. He has expertise in database creation and management, research methodology, and web-based process improvement tools. Joel Barker, consulting, fundraising, and direct marketing, has worked several years in nonprofit marketing and development. He brings a working knowledge of strategy, copy, and creative to both direct mail and online media. Class size is limited, so sign up for Dynamic Fundraising, an integrated approach today. Talk to us today at the conference or register on the Databank's website, www.thedatabank.com.